Welcome to today's lesson. In this session, we will learn how to generate data reports using Python. Creating reports is an essential step in data analysis as it helps summarize the findings, making the results easier to interpret. We will use pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib for creating visualizations. Let's explore how you can prepare, summarize, and visualize your data for effective reporting. Key concepts: summary statistics. Understanding your data's overall trends and patterns is crucial. Pandas provides functions like describe to generate summary reports that give insights into the data, including mean, standard deviation, and percentiles. Grouping and aggregating data. We can group the data based on specific categories and then calculate aggregate statistics like the mean, sum, or count for each group. This is useful for comparing different categories within your data. Visualizing data. Visualization is key to understanding the relationships between variables. With tools like matplotlib, you can create bar charts, pie charts, and heat maps to visualize the trends and distributions in your dataset. Exporting reports. After analyzing and summarizing the data, you might want to save the report for future reference or sharing. Pandas makes it easy to export data frames to CSV files. Example 1. Summarizing data with describe. To quickly generate summary statistics of your dataset, you can use the describe function in pandas. This function provides key metrics like mean, median, standard deviation, and more for each numerical column in the dataset. The described method is incredibly useful when you want a quick overview of your data's statistics. Example 2. Grouping data by category and calculating the mean. Sometimes you need to group the data by a specific column, such as category, and calculate aggregated statistics like the mean. Here's how you can group the data and compute the mean for each category. This code groups the data by category and calculates the mean for the value column in each category. Example 3. Creating a bar chart. Visualizing data is often the most effective way to interpret it. A bar chart is one of the simplest and most common ways to compare categorical data. Here's an example of how to create a bar chart using matplotlib. This code will display a simple bar chart showing the values for each category. Example 4. Exporting the data report to CSV. After performing all the necessary calculations and visualizations, you may want to save the cleaned or summarized data to a CSV file for future use or sharing. Here's how you can export the data frame to a CSV file. This code exports the data frame to a CSV file named datareport.csv. The index false ensures that the row indices are not saved in the file. In this lesson, we've learned how to generate reports from your data analysis results. You now know how to summarize data using pandas, group data for aggregation, visualize trends with matplotlib, and export your findings into CSV files for further use. These skills will help you present your data analysis results effectively, making the data easier to understand and communicate.